These Oakleys are fake, and these ones are real. Let me show you how to spot the difference. We got these frames in from our custom cut program, and they look really close to what the originals look like. But there's a few key differences that make them pretty obvious fakes. The weight of the overall material feels a little heavy for what Oakleys usually are, and a lot of the edges are a little bit too sharp. In addition to that, the lenses look like a pretty cheap triacetate lens, something that gas station glasses would use, and Oakley always used polycarbonate, high quality lenses. A few other things with the model number information are a little funky. Most of the Oakley X metal frames didn't call out specific model numbers. You just had to know by looking at them what they were. These ones have all kinds of numbers on the side that don't really mean anything, don't relate to the size or any sort of thing like that. These knockoffs also have a polarized engraving on the inside of the lens, which if Oakley does have any sort of engraving, it's always on the outside of the lens. Were these real X metal frames in this kind of condition, these could possibly retail on eBay for up to $1,000. But since they're fake, you could probably get them on wish.com for 10 bucks. The good news is, with our custom lens program, even these knockoffs will be able to get a set of polycarbonate lenses that'll turn them into a high quality pair of sunglasses.